Hello, welcome to all of you. Firstly, I introducing myself. My name is Ajay Ramdas Nannar. I am from Sri Rampur and I am doing the M Pharmacy in Pharmaceutics Department from Sanjeevani College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Kopargaon, and it is near Shirdi in district Ahmednagar. And I am thankful to the team of Bentham Science and Publications, which are the publishers of quality research, for publication my review article in the journal Current Nutrition and Food Science with my article title Nutritional and Herbal Supplements for Weight Loss Management, a review, in associations with my guide Dr. Raosaheb Shendge sir and Principal Dr. Kishore Salunke sir. So basically this article is based on herbal supplements which gave the greater effect on our body metabolism, also for weight loss management with proper exercise and diet. And the some herbs work in conjugation with a healthy diet and exercise to promote the weight loss, while no single herb or herbal combination can magically melt away the extra fat. And also the practitioners can utilize the herbs to support the therapeutic lifestyle modifications for weight reduction through the use of food grades like teas, herbal medications and other herbal preparations. And also the rapid and severe weight reduction is not safe, and the herbal medications which are used for weight loss, this may cause the serious and fatal problems in obese individuals either directly or it may be indirectly. And also the risk benefit ratio of several publications was high enough to tip the scales against using this majority of the herbal weight loss remedies under the considerations. And also currently there is lot of interest in the use of herbal therapy to treat the obesities like diseases. And also the pharmacological benefits of herbal medicines, including their abilities to treat diseases like diabetes, hyperlipidemia, obesity and inflammation. It's have been extensively studied in preclinical and clinical studies. And these herbal remedies are typically combined with other substances and they are used in clinical settings. Moreover, more and more clinical studies as well as standardized method of making herbal medicines are required in order to prove their efficacy and safety in preventing and treating obesity in humans. And also in future research and industry, these herbal supplements will be best suitable for healthy lifestyle. So being strong, being healthy and stay alive. Thank you. Thank you for your supports and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.